Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're exploring a fascinating word that you've likely heard before: aged. It's a B1 level adjective that means having lived a long time or having a specific age. Let's break this down. If we say something or someone is aged, we're usually describing their time on Earth. For example, the aged oak tree has stood in the forest for over 100 years. Here, we're emphasizing that the tree has been around for a long time. Similarly, if you say, "My grandfather is aged 70, you're pointing out his exact age. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. A common one is elderly, as in, the elderly man walked with a cane. Another is mature, often used in different contexts, like the cheese is mature and full of flavor. Both words give us a sense of age, but they carry slightly different nuances. On the other hand, antonyms of aged include young and new. For instance, the young child loves to play in the park, or this new book has just been released. These words show us the opposite idea, emphasizing youth or freshness instead of age. So, how can you use aged in everyday life? It's often used to describe people, animals, or even objects that have been around for a long time. You might say, "The aged cat still enjoys lying in the sun," or "The wine is perfectly aged for 10 years and tastes amazing." It's also great for describing things with a vintage feel, like "The aged furniture gives the room a cozy charm." Here are a few more examples of aged in action. The aged professor shared wisdom from decades of teaching. The painting has an aged look, adding to its character. And this castle, aged over 500 years, is a popular tourist attraction. That wraps up today's word. We've learned that age describes someone or something that has lived a long time or has a specific age. It can be used in many ways, from describing people and animals to furniture and wine. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And before you go, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using aged and share in the comments. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep learning and take care.